Hey guys, happy Tuesday, right? Big John with J Custom Builds. I'm sorry, man. I'm all over the place lately. Yeah, I just been kind of just going through it personally. Um, anyways, let's get in what I want to talk about here. So I got a new battery for a Sapphire, and I want to put it in, but it's kind of late. My wife's going to be home, and she wanted me to go out with her for a couple hours. So let's see if we're going to do this tonight. So you guys know that I try to start the bike. This battery, I checked, the battery's literally 3 years old, but for sitting for so long and being on and off the tenders, it has a full charge. The lights light up really, really good. I mean, you can see how bright it is over there. Everything lights up perfect, but it just doesn't have the cold cranking amps. Let's see if it'll start. All right, let's take all this stuff out of the way again. Jesus, let's unplug this just to get this out of the way. What am I doing here? What am I doing? There we go. Should just unplug that. Let's get these bolts off. They're already loose. This guy here. Should have brought a little bucket over. Yeah. Put him right there. All right. Let's take this guy off. Put her to the side. Use my beanie. And let's slide that off. Stick that also under there. Come on, guys. Help me out here. This got to get slid off there, and then that comes off. Oh, geez. I got to disconnect the battery. 10 millimeter, guys. Reuse these bolts. All right, move these to the side. And we'll lift. We need to move those out of the way. Get these little brass things out of there. Just need a small screwdriver. Get these little brass guys out of there. Hang on to those. Those are really good if I ever need to use them again. I probably won't though, because I don't plan on ever buying these aftermarket batteries again. Use my famous little method here to get this battery out. Here and here. And there we go. This battery was supposed to be really good too, man. I don't know what the heck happened to it. Get this guy in there. Move these cables aside. Sorry guys if I'm in your guys' way, but it's kind of hard to get in here with these cables being in the way. What's happening here? Oh, there we go. All right. I don't know where the ground wire went. There it goes, right? Right there. Come on, baby. All right, guys. So I already cleaned the cables. So I'll get this baby like that. And where's the red wire at? Where'd you go? All right, guys. Let's get these babies on there. Oh, the bike's on. Is the ground touching? It sure is. It sure is. All right, guys, I'm sorry I can't get like super close up for you guys. Come on. Slow down, guys. Tighten these up really quick with this. Make sure the screws aren't too long. These screws are a little bit longer than the other ones. So I gotta make sure that it doesn't hit the bottom like it's hitting now before it clamps down. And it is, guys. I'm gonna have to find some shorter screws, bear with me. Okay, guys, so I just ended up putting a washer under there because I couldn't find shorter screws. These were actually really short already. So it's got a short slot going down, and then it's got a longer slot coming into the battery going this direction. But I don't feel like taking the risk and bending those straight, my cables straight, and breaking one of them. So let's finish putting this thing together. All right, guys, so I got the new battery in there, and just a recommendation. I spent like $200 for this battery. I got it from JP Cycle, and it was the kind that you fill up. Don't ever buy those. Just spend a little bit more money and get the battery that you don't have to do that to you. So, all right, so I got everything dressed up in there. I left these on here. These are the cables that run to the actual trunk for the lighting and everything, because whoever wins this bike, I did not want to remove anything like that in case they wanted to put a trunk on their bike with all the lighting and everything. It's all there. Let's see if this beautiful girl starts. Uh-oh. Come on. I gotta fix that. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you guys brand new battery in it. That battery, I paid like $260 for it. It's a really good battery. So we're going to be talking about this bike here pretty soon. So stay tuned. I got an advertisement. Just a heads up to let you guys know what's going on.